Hello everyone, today we have a 2015 Porsche 911 GT3. And that trunk space and everything looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Now this vehicle does have a clean title and a clean Carfax. All the plastics across the front look fantastic. It does have alloy wheels and Porsche branded brake calipers, tint all the way around. Dual exhaust sounds good. Has carbon fiber plating across here. There's your spoiler. And this front end does have a variable ride height, and I'll show you how to manipulate that when we get in the vehicle. A bright white color. I'll go ahead and show you the VIN right here, which the last four digits are 3995. Go ahead and unlock the seat belt for you. And show you back here. And here are your seat controls, carbon fiber kick plates, and those are illuminated as well. And I will upload still photos of that as well. Okay, there's your key fob and the ignition, your lights. And as you look over here, you've got your paddle shifters. And down here you'll see that it has 21,432 miles on this vehicle. And then speedometer goes to 225, and your tachometer, and then over here it'll be a reflection of whatever you display up there. Right now you have your audio set for jukebox. We can set it for tuner and it'll show you what station it's on. And that sounds good, so I'll go ahead and turn it down. Over here you have your stereo controls, and then right here you've got your comfort controls, and then your heated front seats right here. And then as you come down here, there's your sport mode, and then right here's your chassis and suspension. You see right there it's set for normal or sport. And then you come down here and here's your ESC, and then you have your sport exhaust, and then you have your variable ride height for your front end, and that's where you'd find it right here. And I'll show you that that'll work. We'll go ahead and press that. And right now it's lifting that front end, and it'll tell you when it's raised. There we go, it's raised, and then we can go ahead and lower it back down again. There we go, and it's lowered. Okay, so you got your stereo, and here are your options. And you can go to your tuner and it'll tell you AM, FM, and satellite. There's your media for your jukebox and stuff, connection to your phone. And there it's telling you to connect to a phone. And then you have your navigation, which is working well. So we'll just jump over to the map. And then you have your options as well for your route options. And then as we click on car, then you can see your travel times, distances, and your trip computer toggles right here. So we'll just jump on back to map. And as you come down here, you got your shifter, and then you have 12-volt power right here. And suede seating, this is leather, GT3 branding on there, and then suede up here. And then you've got your map reading lights and your mirror and your analog clock. And that about wraps it up for this GT3 on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean Carfax. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.